Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Plus. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this morning I was actually like, oh, I wonder if my Ipsy is still shipped, like preparing to ship, if it's shipped, because normally I get an email that says my box is shipped, but sometimes I don't. So I opened up my app and it said that it shipped. I clicked track and it said it was at my local post office, going to be delivered today. I'm like, okay, that was quick, because normally she arrives after her little sister. So I'm so glad. Sorry, I have an itch in my face. I'm so glad that she arrived today because I am loving Ipsy, you guys. The Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Plus box, I'm just really, really loving. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's see what we have for this month. And if you don't know, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. And let's see here. So it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And it says Ipsy Glam Plus, Glam Bag Plus, which I think they should drop the bag part because they don't put bags in them anymore, but maybe once they run out of boxes, they'll take that word out. I'm not quite sure. But here is the little pamphlet and it says, now in session, this hair is really bugging. Yo, now in session, fresh spring beauty. And there's the front of the card. And it shows you the products and the values inside. So right on top, well, you can see here, this is what is inside my box. So right on top, there is a palette. I've never seen or heard this one before, but it says Moods Laura Sanchez. So there is that. With much love, I present to you Moods, a palette that defines who I am. On one hand, sweet and feminine, and on the other, strong and determined. I name the tones of this palette using emojis, which is our form of global expression. I want you to have a little bit of my heart with the heart emoji in your makeup kit. And then it says it in Spanish. There's an English side and a Spanish side. So that is cool. Okay, so that must be the emojis right there for her colors. That's kind of cool. I've never heard of that before. Let me go ahead and bring up the page on here so we can see how much this is worth. It says mood swings can get... Mood swings can get a bad rep, but sometimes you can inspire different makeup looks. Score! This all-in-one palette is loaded with matte and metallic shades of cheek and eye colors, an option for any mood you're in. Now you're equipped to express all the feelings. This Colombian makeup artist was Nick's Faces 2016 Beauty Vlogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold colors and self-expression. So there's the front of it. That is really cool. I really like that. That's really cool. And then the back of it is like this. But it's an upside down picture, but this is the back because it opens this way. So that is really cool. I really love the colors. I love the vibe of this palette. That's so cool. Now this palette is valued at $35. There is a mirror on top. Let me remove the plastic so I don't blind you. It comes with a brush. So then here would be, it says that there was a blush. Oh, now I know why it's upside down. Huh. It does a full picture that way. That is so cool. That is so cool. And I love those colors. Okay, so let me turn it back over, you guys. So cheek and eye colors. So then I would assume this would be the blush, the highlighter, and then the eye palette, which I'm really excited to try those. Those are really nice. Let me go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Again, this is valued at $35. Let's do a highlighter. Ooh, it's more of like an iridescent. Pretty. I just mixed those two up. I went to do a second whoop-de-woo swipe row and I accidentally mixed the two colors. So let me just do that again. Oh my goodness. Okay. In a different spot. So on my hand, that looks way pink, but in the palette, but see if you can see now that I've touched it, it kind of, can you see the pink? Oh, not really. Now that I've touched it, it looks like a pink iridescent opalescent color. So that is really cool. Let me get these other colors on my arm for you guys. But again, there is the blush and the highlighter. Those are really nice. Let me see here. You see that there? Hello. Well, hello. All right, let me get these colors, you guys. Look at that blue. Woo-wee! That is gorgeous. Okay, so there's the actual palette right there. I really like that the tops are mattes and then these are like a shimmery glitter. I really like that they have both in there and it's like an even number of them too. So that is really cool. So there's the palette. Let me go ahead and set that aside. Okay, so highlighter, blush, palette. Highlighter, blush, palette. Okay, moving on. Next guy here is Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. Moisturizes deeply for 24 hours. If you follow me, you know I am all for any type of moisturizing, so that is awesome. An advanced combination of plant extracts and oils creates a strong moisture barrier of the skin. Cucumber extract soothes skin with hydrating and anti-inflammatory powers. Powerful elder tree extract for fresh, glowing skin. So there's that. There's the back. This one, where are you? Okay, this is valued at $28. Let's smell this. Oh, I don't think there's a, oh, there's a safety seal. Okay. When your medicine cabinet gets cluttered, consolidate with resources with a moisturizer that works on your face and body. Apply this cocktail of cucumber, lime, and elder tree extract to soothe your skin, reduce inflammation, and rehydrate and hydrate for 24 hours. Best of all, there's no greasy finish. Ooh. I don't smell anything. It has no scent, but it feels really nice. It does, it feels really nice. So that is awesome. Again, I'm all for any type of moisturizer. So thank you, yes, and yes, and yes, some more. Next, we have Benefit Highbrow Pencil, Highlighting Pencil. So there is the packaging. When your brows need a lift, look no further. This creamy highlighter brown pencil, the matte linen pink shade, pops on the essentials your arches for brighter, lifted, younger looking eyes. Let's open this up. Natural looking finish. So let's get this out of here. Ooh, that is a cool little package. This is valued at $22. Look at the packaging, that's really pretty. Highbrow, Benefit, and it is pink. It is definitely, right now, what I can see doesn't really look like a pink, but it is a pink. It looks like a pinkish, like what did it call itself? Linen pink shade. So it is definitely a linen pink shade. If I put more maybe on my hand, you can see that's a pink. Oh, I cracked my back, double duty. Nice. That felt good. Okay, so we have the Highbrow Pencil, again for $22. Now we have two more items in here. Next is a big brush. Heavenly Skin Soothing Complexion Brush, number 704 by It Cosmetics. And it is completely sealed, wrapped in plastic. And if you follow me, you know I'm not a huge brush fan, especially bigger ones like this. So I'm probably going to not open this right now because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Holy moly! This is valued at $48. It has a little tilt to the top. You don't need an entire drawer of makeup brushes when you have one that does it all. Not only does this brush give makeup products an airbrush finish, blur away the appearance of fine lines and pores, it also applies skincare like a dream. Crazy. Your skin will thank you for it. Groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush head. Developed with plastic surgeons, clinical results. Pairs perfectly with your skincare, color-infused powders, solid serum foundations, and all complexion products. It says revolutionary IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Brush Hair is infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, and antioxidants. Innovative brush hair technology improves the look of skin immediately upon application for your most beautiful complexion. Custom cut brush head optically blurs and perfects the look of skin, erasing the appearance of lines, pores, and imperfections instantly. Cruelty-free and no hygienic for even the most sensitive skin types. And pro-hygienic, sorry, for even the most sensitive skin types. Cruelty-free, antibacterial, why do I see words that are not there? That is really cool. I've never heard a brush that sounds like it does so many amazing things. But again, I don't, made in China, I don't use big brushes, so I'm gonna have to sleep on this one. It'll probably go in a future giveaway, so you guys look out for that. The last item in here is by Paris Hilton, and it says Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System, Dual Action Cleansing Gel. So there's that. Let me open up the box. 2-in-1 first step cleanser to jumpstart your age delay regimen. So there is the packaging, and it says this cleansing gel is infused with exfoliants, caviar, lime, and pineapple. Caviar, lime, and pineapple? So there's a safety seal. Pro Dual Cleansing DNA. Let's see. I smell cucumber, you guys. So, got a little on me. Okay, I was thinking, and when it said infused with exfoliating caviar lime, I was thinking maybe there was little pieces because I don't like that. It smells very nice. It smells like a cucumber, and it feels really nice. It feels like a, but then once I added a little bit of my makeup wipe, it turned like a little suds. So that's really cool. I can't wait to try that. I'm always looking for a good cleanser as well. So, and this is a cleansing gel, and that's what it did feel like, was a gel. Like, it's kind of felt like an aloe gel. Maybe that's because of the cucumber. It smells like that. So that is valued at $29. Holy moly. Paris Hilton, $29 cleansing gel. So that is everything that came in my plus. Now, I did screen record all of the different items that would have came in this month's box. And honestly, looking back at all of the different products, they couldn't have chose mine any better. Like, the other one was like a bronzer or a blushing thing, and some other like eye cream or something, which I've been getting a lot of eye serums and creams in my other boxes. So I couldn't have picked these items any better, except this guy right here. But I still think this was an amazing box, and I'm loving Ipsy, you guys. So we got the Paris Hilton $29. We got the brow gel, $22. We got the balanced moisturizer, which was $28. We got the It Cosmetics, that was $48. And we got the palette for $35. I think this was an amazing box. What do you guys think? Again, they couldn't have chose my items any better, I don't think. So this will probably go to one of you guys, which I'm totally okay with because a lot of you guys like brushes. So I'd rather give it to somebody who will use it. I just know I won't. If I open it and just set it in my set, I know I'm not going to. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a future giveaway. I just know I am. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know. Do you think they did a good thing? They did a good box this month. What was your favorite item? Me personally, my favorite item, I'm going to say would probably be, I really like this palette. I love the feel. I love the vibe. I love the colors. I'm really liking how they're turning out. So I like the palette. And I'm going to probably love this cleanser. I can't wait to try this cleanser. And then the moisturizer. Who doesn't need a good moisturizer? So I'm impressed. I really like this month's box. Last month, they had me kind of questioning, but I still love my Ipsy, don't get me wrong. But this month, I think they did amazing. So comment down below, let me know, what did you guys think? My eyes are so sore and tired, and when I did doing my color pop for you guys and taking my makeup off and putting back on and taking my makeup off and putting it back on, my eyes, by the end, my last one, my eyes had enough. They were like screaming at me. They're like, stop, really? You've had enough. The next day, it was so painful to literally put a little bit of makeup on just so I can get ready to go to work. Like, I woke up and all my eyes, like right here, was just all red, like raccoon eyes, red. Normally when I wear sunglasses and my face gets burnt, my eyes are like a white circle. It was the exact opposite. I have my white face with these bright red circles, and my skin around looks just haggard. Looks haggard. It looks beat up. But there's nothing I can do. It's like, what the hell? But I had a lot of fun doing that to show you guys that whole entire collection. So I wouldn't take it back. Today, it wasn't as bad. They weren't hurting as bad. So tomorrow, hopefully, they'll be a little bit better. But yeah, you guys, my eyes were hating me that next day, yesterday. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video or giveaway that I'll have on my channel. And until next time, you guys know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.